Welcome to all final year B Pharmacy students. Today we will discuss a new subject as per PCI pattern for final year B Pharmacy, Pharmacy Practices. Pharmacy Practices itself myself Pankaj Chaudhary, HOD Pharmacology, Boradi Pharmacy. Today we will discuss that related to the introduction of pharmacy practice subject, that related to the scope, objective and overall all introduction that related to the pharmacy practices. The pharmacy practices a scope is changing the scenario, of pharmacy practice in India. For successful practice of hospital pharmacy, the students are required to learn various skills like drug distribution, drug information, therapeutic drug monitoring, that name indicate the TDM, for improved patient care. In community pharmacy, the student will be learning various skills such as dispensing of drugs, responding of minor ailments by providing suitable safe medication, patient counseling for improvement, particularly patient care in the community setup. So this is the scope of that related to the pharmacy practice. Then one by one discuss that related to the objective. What is the role of that related to the pharmacy practices? So everyone that known the various drug distribution. The pharmacists known the various drug distribution methods in a hospital. Drug distribution means that related to the inpatient department, outpatient department, various methods that given in the distribution of drug in the hospital. Second one, it appreciate the pharmacy store management and also inventory control. Means such a type of appreciate that indicates the particularly to how to prevent the pharmacy or and particularly inventory control means how to maintain the store stock in the store department. Such a type of inventory control in that given as per the by various methods the pharmacy will be the appreciate. Third one is the monitor drug therapy of patient through medication chart review or particularly clinical review. Next one is the obtain medication history, interview, the counsel for the patient. The counsel for the patient means counseling for that the particularly patient. Counseling, that is the advice how to suggest the patient how to drug that particular patient. Next one is the identify drug related problem. How to drug it get really related to the problem means point of view this is ADR and drug interaction related to the point of view how to identify the drug related problem. Next one is to detect and assess adverse drug reaction. Next, interpret particularly selected laboratory result as per the monitoring parameters of specific disease. Next is the know pharmaceutical care services. You have to know about that the pharmaceutical care services. Do the patient counseling in community pharmacy, how to counseling, how to advise, how to suggest that particularly patients for the drug related. Do the patient particularly in that the counseling will be given. And last, they appreciate the concept of rational drug therapy. You have to appreciate the number of rational drug therapy will be the given. So this is the overall scope, objective that related to the pharmacy practice. Then as per the PCI syllabus, total number of unit is the 5. As per the unit 5 will be the given. So one unit is the discuss today introduction point of view that you have to discuss that related to the hospital and its organization. Hospital and its organization, the first point will be the given. So in it the definition and classification of hospital, that related to the classification point of view, it may be depending upon the orientation according to their clinical and non-clinical orientation. Second way, classification on the basis of care, primary, secondary or tertiary care will be the given. So number of point will be the covered in that the hospital and its organization. Also in that the last point, that function of hospitals means it mainly prevention, diagnosis, treatment, mitigation, rehabilitation, therapy, education and research. Such a type of treatment will be the given or such a type of function will be the given in a hospital. Also in that the particularly medical staff that involves in that the hospitals and their function related means it a number of medical services that provided in that the hospital and their functional point of view. Second point in that the unit first, hospital pharmacy and its organization. Likewise the same hospital pharmacy is the mainly give the definition and function objective point of view hospital pharmacy. Also in that the organization structure and layout and location point of view. Also number of staffs requirement in that the hospital pharmacy, also responsibility and function of hospital pharmacist. So number of second point will be the covered. Third point is the adverse drug reaction means such a kind of view you have to indicate the number of adverse drug reaction, unintended untoward effects will be the given already defined concept point of view. In this, number of types as per the classification: type A, type B, type C. Means as per the given excessive pharmacological effect, secondary pharmacological effect, idiosyncrasy, what is allergic drug reaction. So many points that covered in that ADR. Next is the drug interaction, that related to the number of interaction point of view, in that according to their pharmacokinetic, according to their pharmacodynamic point of view. Kinetic, that indicate the ADM study, absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion study. Dynamic study, that related to the mechanism of action, effects of that particular drug in that particular point of view. So such a point of number of detection and monitoring point of view, you have to study involves in that the ADR and drug interaction. And last point that covers in that the community pharmacy, it's same in that related to the organization and structure of retail and wholesale drugstores. It's mainly types and it's maybe design point of view, retail and wholesale of drugstores. Also number of legal requirement for establishment of maintenance of drugstores, also dispensing of proprietary product particularly, and maintenance of that particular records of retail and wholesale of drug. So number of 4 points that given in a first unit. This is the hospital and its organization point of view. Okay, thanks once again.